do thank you for joining us, folks. This is Mix Gomez alongside Coach El.
And I'm sure Goff, knowing the importance of this game for his team, he really just prioritizes taking care of his constituents.
Boss pass. Bobby Celis on the chase. Matched up against Balti. Jump shot, no good. Robles on the follow.
Well, good thing by Robles. Always you gotta anticipate a miss here for Makati if you wanna clean the glass.
Now, if you might have noticed already, no, merong balot. Konting balot lang naman. Yung kana Robles is
Doesn't matter if you're small or a big, you just gotta prevent the guy in front of you from rebounding. How about that shot by Rob Celis, though?
Folks, in this game,
That's a patient pivot that we call some coaches do.
Enzo Serrano, spin move and the basket. Oh, he doesn't look to be injured anymore.
That arm's pretty okay.
Unfortunately, they turned the ball over. Balti playing point guard again.
Wow.
Balti Baltazar all the way for two.
Coaches would always tell you gotta stop the ball way up.
Didn't even think about passing that basketball. Eman Calo with a good cut.
So far, interior passing here really good.
Leadership duties in terms of defense for Makati in the season. Billy Robles misfires. Celis on the fade, off the glass and in.
Boy, that last sequence sure looked like Pampanga.
Calo, Lucas Collar, sorry miss.
Oh, yeah, definitely sorry miss. Good opportunity right there. Now you got to go back and defend though.
Ringas trying to cover Balti. There's Sanggalak sealing on the other end.
That's where the problem's gonna be. You can't double on Balti, especially.
Pampanga. Tonton, pull up. That's good.
Well, now, the good thing about Bringas here is
Bringas was the best player of Makati versus Nueva Ecija with 8 points and 11 rebounds. He only shot the ball 2 out of 11 from the field. That's Luis Sanggalang. GL coming from Perpetual against Lucas Collar. Jumper is good. That was nasty.
yeah, and the back too coming into this game.
Oh, no foul there. This will be a breakaway. Calo faking the behind the back.
Indication right there. It's a 3-on-1. That easy finish and a little flash to go with that sauce.
Well, rightfully so for Eman Calo dahil meron nga naman siyang.
Boy, what two big teams consecutively.
The argument for Makati all season long was the time frame as Eman Calo scores with another wonderful layup. Dahil
Promotion, even if that ball's already dead. Oh, wow, what
nice move by Agovida. Kick out, Terzo for 3. That's good.
See what happens if you have that patient pivot to stop that second break that you. Yeah, Jazz is very sound fundamental if you ask me.
Well, I did mention as Agovida drains a 3-pointer, his basketball idol is Mr. Foot.
That ball gets stopped.
And boy, they basically can't trust Coach Don Dulay easily at that. As Enzo Serrano scores inside, he now has 7 in this game. Magle-layup ka ng onti kay Enzo Serrano. Let him do the damage for Pampanga instead of Balti.
Yeah, exactly. That's what they call you pick your poison. Who else do you want to control? You cannot control everyone. So you have to have someone that's really significant that if you stop him.
Lucas Collar. Those two faced each other in the UAAP. Lasal versus UE. Mintis.
That one halfway in though.
Forward pass. Archie back up to Jason Apolonio. Now it's Liwag, one-hander off the glass and in.
Well, even offensively, nakita mo medyo merong parang off rhythm ng the league.
If I'm not mistaken, they're second to Pampanga. But the rebounding story in the previous outing as Baltazar scores, the rebounding story was 53 to 38 in favor of Makati. Billy Ray, kick out, Eman Calo. Leaner, yes! Back and forth, nababother.
Right.
Concepcion to Binuya. Corner 3. That's not good.
You got the beast underneath, post pass, and you try to pay your percentages from 3.
Bobby Celis, tough shot. Wow. My, oh my. That's just pure skill from
Basketball IQ to be able to do that. First, you got to read that spot's going to be open for you and have that skill set to decide individually right there.
Well, that's why we called him a walking miss.
Don't react. I get into you once again. And then nice a little hook shot for you. Floater, if you may. Right there.
Balti Baltazar now has 7 points with 3 rebounds in this game. Mababa pa.
Building on your game, you got to do the same. Find your weakness and develop it.
32 all cross court. JLC with a headband.
This is easy basketball right there. Get the basketball minds. I mean, Coach Cholo is one of those guys that I really admire from a basketball standpoint. That guy's really got good height.
10 points now in this game for Balti. That was Eman Calo up top. 3-pointer.
Oh,
yes,
wow.
sir.
Well, you could sense that confidence flowing right now on Eman Calo coming.
Okay, he went through some back spasms and shoulder pains, but the team was quick to act. He did an MRI to check these things.
Those stories, it almost feels like she's always there when it happens. No?
Oh, I mean, she's that good of a conversationalist. Pwede bang mamaya na natin yan sa sideline eh.
Can't allow yourself to be digging a big hole, especially in the second quarter pa lang. But you gotta stop
Balti
that man too.
on the reverse this time around, extending the lead to 3.
Will Macalone, Mabula would do that single coverage on the post. You gotta do a little bit better.
You know, I might actually argue as Tonton Bringas scores on the mid-range, he's used to it because maybe he's used to defending his own brother.
Oh.
Lucas Collar with the basketball. 11 on the shot clock. Robbie Celis, he asked for the ISO. This is what he wanted all along. 2 points for Roland. Almost lost it. Turnover. One more chance. Billy Robles on the run. Terzo for 3. That's good. What a way for Makati to end the first half against Pampanga.
And boy, that was a 5.
The run. He's playing point again. Binuya, his 3-pointer is good.
Once you make an error,
Terzo misses. Ball tap. There's the height of Balti. Forward pass to Apolonio. Touchdown, Pampanga.
2.5. I mean, Pampanga's back.
Mukha bang binibilisan talaga ng Pampanga?
Yeah, I think they've been pushing it for what, 3 possessions already, and see another. So
Binuya could not be stopped. He already has 8 points, 5 in this quarter. Miss, put back there.
one of the really quick ways that going to the top, give them a screen on the other end, and drive through the middle.
51-50, Balti, Baltazar.
Somebody's got to be able.
An excuse or a reason for us to, kind of give some room for Pampanga to have improved in this game.
Family back home.
Yeah. Well, this is them being professional. As to his shooters, Lucas Collar played very well for Makati in the previous outing. He actually made a clutch 3-pointer for the Kings. Calo, nice move.
Well,
It's been a nice journey for Lucas. Now he's one of the main gunners for Makati. Of that responsibility left out by Robbie Celis.
I think so. Definitely, he knows the role of Robbie Celis, and he knows he's got to be taking part in that too.
Big 3. That's good for Lucas Collar.
So
forward. Here we go. Balti. Easy layup.
That shot, got it. The defense of Makati right here.
7 on the shot clock. Encho Serrano. Pass to the right. JLC bailed them out. Yes, sir.
Oh, you got to be able to.
Best player today with a triple-double.
Yeah. And he's on track too.
Oh. Matt De Leon. Great.
I'm sure Makati's not going to be.
Biggest deficit faced by Makati. Agovida. Nice effort inside.
And this could be a factor too of not having a possession.
7 on the game clock. Serrano escapes and scores. That's Diaz. There's the heave. Boy, what a third quarter that. He enters the PBA.
Yeah. Tsaka yung minimension nga niya na, that second quarter when they played very forceful. And, part of it is Rob Celis and Bringas coming into play. Going middle, but look at this finish here. Wrap around behind the back. With a huge finish for Eman Calo.
And with matching facial expression, by the way, from tonight's Ninja. For the time. Oh. Dito lang ako with a highlight. That's Eman Calo, 3-pointer. This is the golden opportunity for Makati to try to equalize things with Balti on the bench. Agovida, Terzo, feet inside. Matthew Daves, one-hander is good.
Patiently waiting for that, and they're not doing it without Celis on the floor.
That's right. Robles, there's the cutter. Eman Calo on the reverse. I don't know about you. Kabila. Binuya. Looking for Archie. Shot clock reading 12. Concepcion 1-2. And the
Hirap gawin.
Concepcion down the middle. Turnover. Forward pass. Eman Calo on the breakaway. All the way for 2.
A challenge para dito sa
Back with the zone. Here's Terzo. Drive, feed, nice to Robbie Celis.
Boy, how about the activity of Robbie Celis? I mean, really back in the game.
Balti on the post. Turn around against Tonton. That's good.
He's got all that.
Moving high-low.
Yep.
Field goals in this quarter. Make that. Man, itong si Billy Ray Robles. 82-79. Balti, one-on-one against Tonton. And he makes a...
Bringas got 4.
And these last possessions. Nice pick and roll. Beautiful. 81. Pampanga in danger of losing their second game in this season. Balti posting up again, and he continues.
Here is lost on that cover. It's a little confusion of that two-man game.
Nice connection between Eman Calo and Tonton Bringas. Baseline, Clemente for the lead. Yes! Risky pass right there. Terzo up top. Agovida, crucial three-pointer. Yes, sir!
Yeah.
By Makati, the kick out by Joseph Terzo. He did mention patience has been a key for them all night long. And there you see Mr. Fundamentals of Makati. It's Keith Agovida delivering from downtown.
Yeah, again, it's coverages on that two-man game. 2 guys actually went to Rob Celis as he dove, and Agovida just rising to the top. An easy call right there.
You have 35 seconds to go. Pressure defense, that's a turnover. Encho, 1-2, he almost traveled.
Ooh, wow. Take 2. Hindi niya tinake yun, but look at that finish. A 1-2 strikes. Terzo knew it.
Thought that was a travel by Encho Serrano. Folks, at this point, he needs a teammate. They go to Balti. Baltazar, 2 seconds. No good for Balti. Ray Robles. Let's see if they can be careful here. That's 2 points. First time we've seen a team in the whole of the MPBL. That's Pampanga with 3 straight victories. Kabila naman, it's Makati who have 5 straight wins as Balti scores in the hottest team in the MPBL. Clock reading 8. Binuya, his three-pointer. Short, another rebound. It's basket and 1 for Balti Baltazar.
It even does them so up him on that offensive board, especially with Bringas having 4 fouls. Now that he's done for the night.
Keith Agovida will be
Big teams and able to compete.
Balti now has 30 points in that ball. No basket for Robbie Celis. Binuya, feed, Clemente on the finish.
And Makati scrambling right there.
Leading scorer of Makati. Up top. Calo to Celis. Robbie drives, layup, basket in.
Especially on a long closeout. See that right here, just a quick release by Rob Celis.
Outstretched arms of Balti. But that's a big time play.
Very similar to how they run that play earlier.
So far, 97-95. Robbie Celis, backdoor, no pass. Up top, Eman Calo. The feed, Agovida, his turn to drive. Spin, fake, nice move! What a beat!
Para dito sa Makati. Look at this one. This was the first one. That fake, up and under. Everybody got entangled. He got that finish.
That's how you become flashy, being a fundamental player in the MPBL. Great patience, great footwork. 42 seconds to go. Encho Serrano up top. 3-pointer for Encho, that's short. Rebound to Celis. Forward pass, that's a risky one. Agovida catches, and he scores! By Keith Agovida. And then how about this pass from Eman Calo?
Right.
It was so risky, but it was also so worth it.
Yeah, and he knew that defense was not gonna get to him. And with that, using that rim as protection on that left side drive, man, Agovida.
He's basically the savior for Makati.
That leak out by Agovida, really just running the floor and sensing that Balti was
here in the MPBL.
Rightfully so.
After beating the Nueva Ecija Rice.
Fouling, you gotta stay very honest on their defensive stop. Challenge everything.
Encho and company down by 4. Serrano, JLC, big one. Too strong. Rebound, Puljar. 8 seconds remaining. Encho just fouled Lucas.
Oh.
That was a hard hit.
And just holding on to his left knee too.
That's not good. Encho's been hurt for the past couple of weeks.
Shot was way off the mark. Cuellar tried to clear it, but he needed to be fouled, and so Encho was the first one who did that.
Encho actually hit Cuellar on the face.
On the face, yeah.
Now Lucas seems to be okay, but Encho is still on the floor.
That was a long.
Makati will try to dribble this one out. I will share you what John Wilson told me earlier today. I asked him, what do you think of the North Division playoff picture? And he said, among the teams of Pampanga, San Juan, Nueva Ecija, and Makati,